And here, I will show when you are cleaning them, use a sharp knife. Down you go, get to the tail, just flip it. You don't even have to take the skin off. Down the skin.
Easy.
And then when you go to get rid of the racks, everything's attached.
Easy, that's easy.
Simple.
Small fish.
Another diagonal cut.
Simple as that.
Fillet. And the whiting is just as easy. If you want me to do one real quick, I'll be happy to.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can do it a lot faster too. Show
Okay.
them how fast it goes.
Yeah, we can. Here's a whiting. Okay. There's the croaker out of the way. It's a cut. Down we go. Flip it. Boy, this knife is just sharp. One side. Take the skin. Flip it. Down we go. Might want to cut too far. This knife is too sharp.
It's too sharp.
But that's basically it. I mean, that's all you have to do. And then you just make the cuts with the...
You can't even tell the difference between the two.
You can't. And when you cook them, you're not going to tell them either because they're both white, sweet, and mild.
Nice.
That's it. And I'll tell you what, this is some knife.
Awesome. All right, so you just saw Captain Expert Paul show you how to fillet those two fish up nice and easy. I'm not going to do that because I'm going to do the same exact thing he did. So let's join Puddin in the kitchen right now